In this video, I'll be demonstrating on how to change out the hard drive. The first step you're going to want to do is turn off the power to the machine by unplugging the power connection. The next step, you're going to remove the plastic plate from the front by pushing down on the clip and removing the plate. You'll then need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove one screw. Once you remove the screw, you need to pull down on the bar and just slide the hard drive tray out. To remove the hard drive in the front, you're going to need to remove these 4 screws and then replace it with the new hard drive and line up the holes so that when you reattach the hard drive, the screws go into the SATA slot, not the IDE slot. They're very close together. Just make sure the holes are lined up for the SATA slot. And then reattach the screws. Once that's completed, slide your hard drive tray back into the base station until it snaps in. Bring the metal bar up till it clicks. Rescrew in the one you took out. Put the plastic plate back and reconnect your power. Once the power is reconnected, you'll have a green PosiFlex light on the front of the terminal, and you have swapped out the hard drive.